Here's a restored 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe at Unique Specialty and Classics. 289 V8 power underneath the hood with a sniper fuel injection system, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome and bright work up front on this one. It is a base coat, clear coat paint on this. As you can see, it has a nice shine to it. Interior has also been restored, and we'll get into some of the details of the restoration here in just a bit. First, if you want to see the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can check out all the still pics. Of course, if you're watching this on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on American Racing wheels, 5-spoke, with Willwood disc brakes behind them. And again, those are power. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see this paint is free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. It shows as well in person as it does the pictures and the videos, by the way. All right, as far as the interior restoration that has been done, new seat covers, new carpeting, headliner, radio and speakers, front seat belts installed. See the 6x9s in the rear deck, bucket seats, of course, kind of a retro sound style radio. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that. Start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Also want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper, looking good. Dual exiting exhaust. Trunk lid or deck lid. Paint also shows well. Speaking of more of the restoration work, it does have custom exhaust. This car sounds great. We're going to start it up, like I said. Let's hear it run. It does have rear air shocks. Front struts were also replaced, as well as the rims and tires. And at that time, the power brakes were gone through, power steering, alternator, new gas tank was installed, fuel lines, and an aluminum radiator installed. Technicians noted the brakes are 100% in the front, 90% in the rear. New wheel cylinders. There was just slight seeps as far as drivetrain. Car's been driven, nothing out of the ordinary. Get in it and go. Turn the key, have some fun. Your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And you can see this driver's side also free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. This car will turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. If you like Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here when it comes to Mustangs or sports cars in general. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. See that door panel look good. Seat covers, they're like new. Again, seat belts up front. And how about headliner? Headliner's nice shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Radio is in working order. Sounds good with those 6x9s back there. Show you the sniper system kind of control panel right there too with the readout. Nicely installed and done. And it pops right off. All right, let's get a good look at the dash. Stereo system, little decal, Mustang Sally. Stereo working, and very nice throttle response. And a good sounding engine. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Little rumble coming out of that V8. Let's slip up to the front. I should be able to get this one one-handed. Let's check out this engine bay. And then, of course, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Not quite one-handed, but we'll get it open. Underside of the hood, looking good. clean as the rest of the car, no doubt about that. There you go. That 289, again, fuel injected. Aluminum radiator. Power brakes, power steering. Battery disconnect when it's in between drives or maybe in storage. Looks like some aluminum pulleys up front. Looks good and sounds good. Restored 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1965 Ford Mustang. This one in a nice bright red with a black interior. Automatic right here on the floor, so it's easy for anybody to drive. Our turn signal indicator is working. This car has Sniper EFI. So fuel injection, so it's gonna start easier for you, idle smoother. You might even get better miles per gallon. Sometimes that's what EFI can do for you. More power sometimes, and tunable, a little more tunable for power. There's a display for that Sniper system right behind the shifter on the center hump there. Our fuel gauge is showing 1/4 of a tank. Temperature is about 1/3 of the way up. Those are the factory looking gauges, and they work as they should. Speedometer's working. Nice ride from this Mustang, just as you'd expect. They're not heavy cars, so you can feel the road just enough, as it should be. Looking good on the inside and the outside. Black, factory looking vinyl bucket seats, very comfortable in this car. Brakes nice and smooth. Nice throaty rumble to the exhaust of this Mustang. Easy to steer, and corners pretty flat. Leans about as much as you'd expect for a 65 Mustang. That display down there from Sniper giving us the air-fuel ratio, the battery volts, and you can toggle between data on that screen. It's very nice. The radio does put out sound, and the wipers work on this Mustang. Take a look at all the pictures of this Ford Mustang at uniqueclassiccars.com.